Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making some vegan fried chicken, not chicken, chicken, with ackee and spinach. So over here I've got the ingredients that I'm gonna be used. I've got some green onion, which is scallion. I got scotch bonnet pepper, some bell pepper, garlic, my ackee, spinach, and over here I've got my chicken, what she's made from mushrooms. So yes, I'm about to do that, and I'm gonna show you how I do that, guys. And if you want to see how I made my chicken, I've got a video up on YouTube. Please go ahead and check that out. So this is just a nice simple recipe where if you like chicken and if you miss it, you can use mushrooms, and these are oyster mushrooms I'm using to do so. So I'm gonna take you along with me, but before we do so, don't forget guys, please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload you won't miss the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please tell a friend to tell a friend and subscribe to my channel. So let's jump straight into the video now. All right. So over here guys, I've got my pot on with a teaspoon of oil. I'm gonna add in my garlic. Make sure everything is sauteed properly. You don't need a lot of oil for this. I'm also gonna add in my onion. Make sure your stove is on low heat. Scallion, bell pepper, and I'm just gonna saute all of this before I add the rest of the ingredients. So after all my seasoning is sauteed guys, I'm gonna went ahead, I'm just gonna add my mushrooms in, just for it to get succulent with the seasoning and everything, because I'm gonna add the ackee in the last minute because you don't want it to get mushy. And my ackee is from the can, and I went ahead and I boiled it for 3 minutes in some salted water. I do not cook ackee straight from the can. That's a red flag guys. Don't do that. Some people said it gets a bit mushy when you cook it from the tin when you boil it, but no, it does not. And I like to use this brand. This is the best. You can see this is the best brand guys. If you want to use ackee, you use that brand. It's good. It does not come out mushy and all of that. It just come out like that. You see? Yes, which is good, and that's how you like it. You want it to be. So I'm gonna let this saute out for a minute or so, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm gonna add my spinach. Because the spinach when I saute off for a bit. I'm just gonna saute up this for roughly 2 minutes. Then I added my ackee. So I'm gonna add the ackee in now guys, because this is the final bit. And I'm also gonna add some pinch of black pepper. Black pepper make the ackee stand out. So I don't know, there's something about black pepper that makes the ackee, you don't want it too mushy. Wow, look at that guys. This is no oil, you can see, because I don't like oil. I do not buy oil in my house. So unless I'm doing something that requires, I'll just get just a little one, you know. So yeah, this is how you make your vegan chicken and ackee. Look at that, guys. Woo-hoo. So guys, here you have it. Vegan chicken made from oyster mushrooms with ackee and spinach. Oh my gosh, you can go ahead and give it a taste to see what it likes, but for me it's perfect. Doesn't need any salt and no more scotch bonnet pepper. Everything is just perfect. This is absolutely delicious. It's really delicious, guys. It's not because me make it, but me I tell you, delicious. It's really good. And make sure your stove is on low heat when you're doing it. And yeah, so I'm gonna play up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So guys, here's the finished product, and I'm having it with some rice and peas, broccoli, tomato, cucumber, and some lettuce. And this is my dinner. Guys, it tastes so good, me nah lie. Nah lie. So you know, guys, you know already, health is wealth. And I'm gonna keep repeating that in all my videos. You know, so if you wanna make this, guys, just drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know how it turns out. And for all my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate all of you guys. I love you guys so much. So you know, I already know, go and pick up on yourself, and I see you guys in my next video. Until then, guys, take care. Bye.